We all know what sensor smartphones like Xiaomi and Realme use in terms of their cameras. It's obviously Sony or sometimes Samsung. But do you know what sensor Apple uses for its cameras? Well, recently Apple CEO Tim Cook visited Japan's Sony HQ and he posted a tweet on Twitter talking about Apple's partnership with Sony for the past decade for its cameras. Yes, Apple has silently confirmed that it uses or it has been using Sony sensors for its cameras, and that is one of the reasons why pictures and videos from iPhones look so great. I know obviously processing and all those stuff is there, but still the credit to the quality of videos and pictures by an iPhone goes to also Sony because they give the sensors, right? Apple usually doesn't talk about its suppliers when it comes to the components it's using in its iPhone. But we didn't know which company supplied its camera sensors for its iPhone. But now Apple has confirmed that it's Sony. So kudos, Sony. Anyways, what do you guys think about this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and follow Tech Arnav for more interesting tech videos.